Hello everybody, it's Gaming in Massachusetts here. We're back at the trail where I was yesterday in yesterday's video. It's a lot darker right now than yesterday, but I brought a better quality flashlight. Hopefully it's a lot brighter. Yeah, but it's still barely noticeable to the brightness of the sun. So we're going to be exploring this trail a little bit more. I'm not really sure what to expect. This trail grew a lot in the day I was gone. Like, this is extreme growth. It's only been a day. Jesus Christ. It's only been a single day. There's a lot of moths here. Ooh. Now this is where the flashlight's really good. Has a wider circle around it, but right now you can only see like main beam of it. I brought a weapon along with me as well, so in case I need a last resort escape method. But I don't think it will come to that. Hopefully it won't. Oh, that's where it gets sketchy. You know what? I'm not even gonna explore this area in this video. I'm just gonna go through the trail. A lot of mosquitoes around here. They're all coming around my head because that's the only place I didn't put bug repellent on. It's kinda obvious they'd go for my head since it doesn't have bug repellent, but Jesus Christ, how many bugs. Oh my god. Sorry if I keep going like that with the camera. Just trying to flick away at the bugs. Probably have my flashlight on. Here it gets bright to the point where you can barely see the flashlight, but still. This place is what I'm worried about. I know this place for growing insanely thick shrubs. on it. So I'm not really looking forward to having to go through those bushes and grass and shrubs. Yep, just like I suspected. Jesus Christ, how thick is this? Things like to my waist. Honestly, don't know if I should turn back or go forward. I don't know. Should I go back or forward? Well, I guess there's no point in returning now, so I guess I'll just go forward. But Jesus Christ. Oh my God. How thick is this? Jeez, thank God I'm wearing pants. Check out no animals on me. There's another path that leads over there. What's real freaky about this path is that it leads to the cemetery. So, I honestly don't know if those noises that I've heard are a creature or a ghost. And I believe in the paranormal because I've seen some crap that I shouldn't have seen when I was younger, but still, doesn't matter. There's a path right here. Shoot, something's moving over there. There's a path over there. I keep hearing something behind me, but there's nothing there. And there it is again. This is just creepy. So over there is a path that leads to like a small... I just heard something in front of me. I'm gonna back up. So what I'm trying to say is there's a path over there that leads to like a small cavern or cave. It doesn't really go underground much, only like a few, like I'd say like 10 or 20 feet. But there's no way, no gosh darn way in this world I'm going into that alone right now. What the frick was that? Please tell me that. Please tell me that my phone caught that. Please. There was just like a yell. Like a loud yell. Please tell me that caught that. I'll have to check when editing the video. Oh my God. I don't want to be here anymore. But I have to go through the cemetery. And I don't really want to show off the tombstones. So, sorry if the next part of the video is just you watching my feet walking across the road. What was that? Sorry if the next part of the video is just my feet walking across the road. I don't want to give off like the tombstones' names in order to respect those who have passed away. Small river. I hear something walking over there. My flashlight's not really bright enough to see much. But I heard something over there. I don't know if you can see the light. It's around over there. There it is again. I hope that one was kind of loud. That might be just people on the park, but I don't think so, because that sounds in the woods. Yo, legitimately, the hairs on my neck are starting to stand up. Oh shoot, there's something moving over there. I hope you guys can see that. Please hope you can see that. Oh my God. This is freaky. Oh, another bug. Guys. Oh, another bug. Please trust me. I'm not lying. This is not fake. This is not a hoax. I'm not doing this to get views, which I don't really care about views. This is real. And I'm putting it on YouTube just so someone knows what's happening and I don't look like a complete psychopath. I promise you guys, this is not real. You have no reason to trust me. But this is real. I just said this is not real. I don't know why. This is real. Oh, that's a car over there. Okay, I heard bang and I thought it was something else. This is real, guys. Please believe me. Please.